I use first start expose, you know. The first thing you expose about me are the rat shit in the dry, you know. And I did nothing. The first thing you expose, I'm a rat shit in my draw. That is the first thing you expose as a man. That is the first thing you came over here and you do. And all of the people that I talk them and say, boy, you know, so the man I really want piece of wuss. Yes, and some of them is female. Very last time, me not come in an argument because me not argue with you. And it's true. You like walk and talk about, oh, me I pay people for do this and me I pay people for do that. Me I ask you, please. Me I beg you, please come off for me. Because if you not come off for me, me I go down at Isaac Buchanan office, down at Juke Street, pan you and take out a cease and desist. And me nah run no joke.
Okay, people, it look like said Jake plan to get back Rosealee by leaking out our nastiness. I'm not gonna tell you no lie, my people. It nasty. If you want the video and the picture, you have to send me a WhatsApp. I'll put my number in the comment section. But yeah, let's get back to Jake revenge point. Because you know the other day Rosealee, you know, exposed him wickedly. Cause you know he's out here, you know, acting like him no want and all of these good stuff. But behind scenes, it's a different scene, as you can see. But on the screen, don't it? The man all up in the good stuff. You see me? So yeah, she got upset. No, him leak out her nastiness. And she said she's going to sue him. Yes, and she's going to make her man Akeem sue him as well. You see what I said? So let us hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
I say you ever expose anything with me naked. Like for the last time police come at me and I expose something with me naked, I'm gonna get nothing from them jakes, you not escape it. Cause remember I know at Jamaica you live. Right down I see you. I mean know if I find you. So I want you expose something for me. For me can have it for go down at the law firm office. Yeah. Because it pass shenanigans. For my daughter can send me it with the bag of people with the bag of chattings. That means it gets serious. For my daughter can send me the clippings from over there with the people with the bag of chattings. It gets serious. For my daughter can send me it with the bag of chattings. It gets serious. For sure, I not run no joke now. You say what you are say, I me say what me I say. You say hard away, you say me take them. Me shape bad, me stink. How would this text? Me shape bad, me stink. And you teach me for bathe and brush my teeth. You can't lift me up. Me this, me that, me take it. You win. Because you play one tit for tat game. I mean, I play no more tit for tat game with you. You want over here and play one tit for tat game. And who approve who right and who approve who wrong. Yeah, you want to play one tit for tat game over here. Tit for tat. Me like you, I'm not depend that you. I'm a big woman. I'm not play them a game there. Me not play them a game there. I'm gonna come over here, come trick me, so you can go over and read the box, and you can make the rest of them sit down and go lock her up. Me want to start take legal action too. It's like when me can pay people for war people, as what you say, me can pay a lawyer fee too. So make me ever see one picture where me can recognize say I'm me Rosealee and it come from you. I straight down at the law firm office me a carry go and me a sue you. So you're going to live. When I can buy a spliff when I done with you. And trust me, I swear I'm a motherfucking life. I remember me wealthy and lonely. More wealthier and lonelier. Make me sit up and circulate and resemble me and me can identify say I'm me. What are you, girl? Ah, you see. Only like bag of chatting. Make me see nothing over here will resemble like a me. In any shape, size, or form. Ah, you see. Go take out sick, go take out this and her. Go do that. Me not come with no fake paper. And when me come here, me not show it to the internet. Me know where to go. Remember when me come here, you know, me not go show no big paper, you know. When me come here, me not go show no paper, you know, cause when me realize, say, you are living for the expectation. You are living for the expectation. You are living for the expectation for the internet. Yeah. So, a bag of people can call you and sit down and talk to you and tell you what to do and what to say. And even give you to, and you sit down and you take it. You sit down and you take out of that and lose all your manhood. Because when you don't trace me on the internet, Jakes, me nothing saying a man left back in you. When you don't trace me and tell me my tick with the deeds and the don'ts and the does, me not think no man left back in you. Me not think no man left back in you. And all of your friends them you know for your from school days, well, I got look for your side eye. The other day, baby mother said dog. None of them not like it. All of them are side eye. All of them side eye. From Bunny go right down. All of them from Bunny by and the whole of them give a side eye. Cause you behave like a wuss. You behave like a lady in a frock. You behave like your sanitary full up you want me case got change it. I see you over here be here for what? Views and likes and chattings. Because since the previous time when you over here trace me and say you clock tease, me not see up on the ranking board. So you don't make no money. You just want in a bag of chatting. Yeah. You understand me I say, boss? Me I tell you, no? Me I tell you. You say you're over here. Every day you sit down, you call Akeem name, and you say, yeah, rubber, yeah, scrubber, yeah, clock tease. All Akeem have to do, I take out all of the screen card them, and can't go to him lie and sue you for defamation of character. You know, some of us are nothing about you yet, that's all them have to do. They can never buy a spliff. And so the next day you call him name, that's exactly what happened to you. Even though it can still be in process. And if you take the screener card and I can go to him liar, find it on a CV where you itch up and sue you for all we not have. Because you like enough up. Remember Jamaica you live. You like come enough up. Chat. You want hype, you want views.
Yeah, problem in the comment section though, you know, because Rosealee for now have detect that picture of her, you know what I mean, and leak out that tape there, unless she's doing this with a lot of people, right? And if you want to see it, I'll leave my number, WhatsApp number in the comment section below, and you can add me to a contact, and we'll send that to one, don't it? But honestly, I don't think Jake should have done that. If he did it, it's not the right way to go, you know what I mean? I don't want to say these people is slow, but as you can see, him exposing the rat doodoo, right? Meanwhile, them lived there for 12 years. This man say, him and the rat are bridging, you see me? Them sit down and a chat Rose and a yam Rose food, you know what I mean? I know, you know, she leak out this camera footage of him, you know what I mean, acting a fool. You see me? I say, so, him really the one to get back at her, and I don't think he should really entertain, you know, those things for the sake of the kids, you know what I mean? Man for be man. And at the end of the day, he's not entertaining men. So there's nothing to be ashamed of. You see what I say? You know what I mean? Rosealee, bring your 2 beautiful children. And at that, you should just focus on, you see me? But me just the one for giving a quick update while I go on for that go on. Rosealee know about the viral things that's circulating. And she's going to look into the matters and deal with it accordingly. You see what I say? Anyway, people, don't forget to check out the rest The next videos them you see on the screen, you know what I mean? Because we have all heap of content for everybody, and you might have missed something you don't know. You see me? Bless.